Hello, future English speakers. Welcome to Learning English Forever. Get ready for a wonderful story called Eco Fashion Swap, perfect for beginner English learners like you. Remember, listening every day is the best way to improve naturally and easily. Let's begin our adventure.
Look, Maya, this blue shirt has a tree. It's really nice.
Oh, I see it. Swapping clothes is smart. We help the earth.
Exactly. Fast fashion makes too much waste. Eco-fashion is better.
I agree. And we find special clothes here. Look at this scarf.
Yes, every item has a story. It's fun to discover them.
It truly is. We can look good and be kind to our planet.
In this story, we meet David and Maya, two friends who are at a special event. The title, Eco Fashion Swap, refers to an event where people exchange their used clothes instead of buying new ones. Eco means related to the environment, and fashion swap means trading clothes. This helps the environment by reducing waste and promoting sustainable choices. Now, let's dive into their conversation and understand each phrase better.
Look, Maya, this blue shirt has a tree. It's really nice.
David wants Maya to see something, so he says, "Look, Maya." He is showing her a blue shirt. This shirt has a picture of a tree on it. Then he says, "It's really nice," meaning he thinks the shirt is very good and pretty. David is pointing out a lovely blue shirt with a tree design that he finds appealing.
Oh, I see it. Swapping clothes is smart. We help the earth.
Maya says, "Oh, I see it," meaning she has now noticed the shirt David is showing. She then mentions, "Swapping clothes is smart." This means trading clothes instead of buying new ones is a clever choice. She adds, "We help the earth by doing this." Maya thinks exchanging clothes is a good idea for the planet.
Exactly. Fast fashion makes too much waste. Eco-fashion is better.
David uses "exactly" to show he fully agrees with Maya. He then explains, "Fast fashion makes too much waste." This means clothes made quickly and cheaply create a lot of trash. He concludes by saying, "Eco-fashion is better," meaning clothing that is good for the environment is a superior choice. David strongly agrees, saying sustainable fashion is better than wasteful fast fashion.
I agree. And we find special clothes here. Look at this scarf.
Maya says, "I agree," showing she thinks the same as David. Next, she adds, "and we find special clothes here," meaning they discover unique and uncommon items at this place. Then she says, "Look at this scarf," asking David to see a piece of fabric for the neck. Maya agrees with David and shows him a unique scarf she found.
Yes, every item has a story. It's fun to discover them.
David says, yes, every item has a story. This means each piece of clothing has a past or a history. Someone owned it before. He then explains it's fun to discover them, meaning it's enjoyable to learn about these unique things. David finds joy in learning the history behind each special item.
It truly is. We can look good and be kind to our planet.
Maya exclaims, it truly is, showing strong agreement with David that it is indeed fun. She then says, we can look good, meaning we can dress nicely and appear stylish. She adds, and be kind to our planet, which means to act in a way that helps the Earth. Maya concludes that they can be fashionable and environmentally responsible. That's all for today's beginner English story. We hope you enjoyed learning about eco-fashion. Keep practicing with our stories at beginner, intermediate, and advanced levels. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Learning English Forever for more fun lessons. See you next time.